So, Matt Carlson, thanks to be here with me. You are CEO of an US-based solar thermal manufacturer, which is called Sunnovation from the Washington, D.C. Your company is fairly new. What is your business idea?
That's right. Thank you. So our company is a manufacturer of an innovative solar thermal technology that is designed to remove all the electromechanical componentry out of the solar loop. So it's replacing, our geyser pump is replacing all of the active components in a typical closed-loop glycol system. So it is taking the place of the pump station, controller, expansion tank sensors, etc. So it is a system that is designed to be more simple, lower cost, easier to install, and more reliable because it's removing all of the, again, the most active components in a solar thermal system.
Thank you. I think you came just from US, from a big conference there. What is your first impression of European ESTEC conference?
Yeah, so I just came from the SPI, Solar Power International Conference in Dallas, and which is it's a solar industry-wide conference. The unique thing about this session, of course, is that it's focused specifically on solar thermal, which the North American solar thermal industry is not anywhere near as organized or large as what we have here in Europe. And so this conference is really exciting and interesting to see the development, both on the technical side as well as the market development here in Europe.
Well, you are also one of the co-founding companies regarding an initiative called Solar Thermal Advantage in the US. Can you describe this a bit further?
Yes, so this is an initiative that was founded and started by Seth Rose and the NRF Institute. And the objective here is to get together the U.S. solar thermal industry and organize it around a campaign to drive awareness amongst homeowners, commercial developers, commercial builders, to raise the awareness of solar thermal technology, because that's one of the biggest problems that we have in the U.S. is that there is simply no awareness about the technology whatsoever. It's very low, and so the idea is to get more editorial and articles written about solar thermal technology, its benefits, its costs, as well as to, again, just generally raise awareness and get information out about solar thermal technology.
Actually, you said that the DEO, the US-based energy ministry, is part of it. So you have a big budget for also doing advertising in magazines and journals?
I'm afraid, actually, the Department of Energy is not actively involved with this initiative. The U.S. the U.S. Solar Industry Association, SEIA, is, however, a supporter of this initiative. We unfortunately do not have a very large budget, so it's going to be mostly focused on what's known as earned media. So basically, getting articles written by journalists about solar thermal, as opposed to this being, it will not be an advertising campaign per se, at least in this first year. But we envision doing things like that as the campaign develops and as we achieve some success in the larger campaign.
If I want to have further information on this, is there a website available?
Yes, there is. Thank you. It is solaradvantage.org, and so that's the website that you can look up the Solar Thermal Advantage Initiative. We're launching formally next week, but there have been a few articles that have been written as part of this initiative already.